Hi guys, it's Crafty K-Bug, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the bordered chevron friendship bracelet. This is what it looks like. Disregard the pink up top. I messed up the first time I tried to film this, so I'm trying again. And we're going to see how it goes. So this pattern is pretty easy, but you do need to know how to make all 4 knots. And I would recommend making just a regular chevron first, so you have that concept down. And after that, you should be ready to make this bracelet. So let's get started. So to make this bracelet, you're going to want a border color. So mine's white here, and you're going to put 2 of those strings on the outside. And then in the middle here, you're just going to want like a regular chevron setup. So that's going to be like a mirror image. So for me, it's pink, purple, yellow, and then yellow, purple, pink, yellow, purple, pink. So that's the order that you're going to set them up in. And so to start, you're going to take your first border color to the left and the first string to the left. So this is the first color that you want to be your chevron and the border color. And you're going to make a forward-backward knot over this string right here. So you're going to make a forward 4. Pull that through. Now the strings switch places and we make a backward 4 for the second knot. And then it stays in its original spot. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but on this side, it's going to be a backward forward knot. So you're going to make your backward 4 and come through. Switches places, and we make a forward 4 and come through. Now we're going to move these border colors to the side, and we're just going to make a regular chevron. So I'm going to start on this left side. And with this pink strings, I'm going to make forward knots across all these other strings so that it goes into the middle. So forward knot over purple, yellow, pink, purple, and yellow. Alright, so we're going to move all these strings to the side. And then on this other side, we're going to do the same thing with backward knots. You're going to take the pink on the outer edge and make backward knots into the center. So 1 knot over each string, 1 at a time. If you are totally lost and confused at this point and have no idea what I'm talking about, you should probably check out my 4 basic knots video. It is here on my channel. I'll go ahead and link that in the description for you. It's a pretty old video, but it still gets the job done. And then if you just can't do that old video, there are plenty of other videos here on YouTube. And now in the center here, you should have your 2 pink strings. These are the 2 pink strings we brought into the middle. And now we're just going to tie these with any knot you like. So just pick your favorite one of the 4. Do forward, backward, forward knot, backward knot, forward, backward knot, or backward, forward knot. Show forward knot. And there you go. That's your first set. So you're just going to do that over and over. So I'll do it one more time so you can see. So you're going to start on your left border side. So take my white and do a forward backward knot over this purple. Don't forget this step, it's very much important. Forward then backward, set that to the side. Then we're going to do it on the other side. This is what's creating our border on the sides. So we're making a knot that is white, but keeping the white string on the outside. That's the goal. So now we're going to just make a normal chevron. So we're going to do forward knots into the center with this purple string. Alright, so once you find the center there, we'll just go to this other side. Take this purple string and do backward knots into the center. If you are slightly confused, but not totally confused, you should check out my video on how to make a chevron friendship bracelet. If you haven't ever made one of those, it's the same bracelet but without the white border step. And so once you've grasped how that bracelet works and everything, I think you'll have a better understanding of how to make this one. Because it's very similar, you just add one little step. Alright, so I just made a knot there in the center. Like I said, you can do any knot you like. It doesn't matter because the strings are the same color. So that goes for any time you make strings of the same color, even if you changed up while doing the chevron, which is not advised, but you could do that and the bracelet would still come out the same. So anytime you knot two strings the same color, it does not matter what knot you make. So that's how you make this bracelet. I think it looks really cool. I think it's really basic, but I think it looks awesome. So definitely try this out if you haven't already. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join my crafting club or whatever. Insert your name after crafty, whatever I'm going to say now. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is crafty_kbug. It's crafty_kbug, crafty with a K. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.